The multi-user virtual environment that I chose to explore for this module was Mission US, and this website or Mission US allows the user to learn about various aspects of US history through interactive missions. They've got 5 different missions that you can choose from, and each mission consists of several different scenes. And in each scene you go through different scenarios where you have different tasks or things that you have to complete, and based upon your decisions will influence future scenes and eventually the outcome of your mission. The one that I chose to explore was for Crown or Colony. And so when I click over here on playing the mission, you have the option to play online. You can register. You can actually download an app for your iPad and play it. But in this case, I'm just going to choose to play online. And once you click on there, it'll take it a couple seconds here to load. All right, but once it loads, it's going to bring to a menu where you have the option to continue your prior progress. You can select a new game or actually select from different scenes. And of course, it's got background music. So I'm going to click continue. And I'm going to pick up from where I left off here the other night. But each mission, again, it'll have different characters that you can interact with, and you'll have different choices that you'll have. In this case, it says you see Constance head up the street. She comes hurrying up to you, so you can either choose to talk to her or to walk by her. So in this case, I'll choose to talk with her. And so then it'll give you again, it'll give you a scenario again where you interact. And so again, just a fun little way. I'm going to click a couple more here. And so as you click on these, it'll give you different bits of information that students have learned in their, in history books or a history lesson that you've taught. So you can see right here that she talks about there's a ship leaving for the wharf tomorrow. She said, I'm to be on it. So again, you get different choices here that you can choose, and based upon that, it'll give you, different scenarios there. So just the time that I explored it, it's not a complicated platform. It'd be one that students could easily use. You could use it to supplement a lesson, or actually use it to spur discussions or whatever in your class. So again, just it's a fun little interactive way that students could use to learn about U.S. history.